We're back with the gas Surron and 2 electric Surrons. We got raw. Jim. We put these beautiful Luna 17-inch supermoto wheels on. Pete from Chronic Racing polished up the whole build, blacked out all the custom mounting, red air filter, grips, and I've got 4 quarts of 2-stroke oil in my backpack. You can't just fill this bike up with normal gas at the gas station because it's 2-stroke. You can get these pre-mixed oils from the hardware store. To turn it on, I gotta turn the fuel switch. You can see the fuel going through the tube, and pull this out just to get it kick started. Got gloves on today, of course, and we still have the clutch and the rear brake on one side, so I'm gonna have 2 fingers on the clutch and 1 finger on the brake so I don't make that mistake again. Oh, that's not the clutch. I think the peg's stopping it from doing a full stroke.
Oh my god, bro! Yo!
We've done this so many times, it feels a billion times more illegal on this. Oh, fuck, I let go of the clutch. I gotta remember to hold on to it. Come on! Come on! Let's go! Whoa! I picked up the front wheel on that one. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to do that again right here. Okay, I'm in 2nd gear, I'm cruising. Let's go! 3rd gear. This is a good gear. 4th. Let's go! I am not as... Whoa! Oh, if I was on electric, I'd go up to the front, but I'm not confident. Dude, I'm terrible at this. They can't keep up with me. It's like impossible to cruise this bike. It's either full power band or like you're about to stall it. Bro, what's it doing right now? I don't know what I'm doing. Let's race, let's race. Yeah, come on, baby. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear for sure. We're gonna race coming back. Oh, you know what? Oh, I'm out of gas. I'm out of gas.
That was exactly 4.
Oi, 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 I missed a lot. Smells so good. Oh, I got lots of fuel, boys. So this is an eridepro SS 2.0. eridepro SS 2.0 against the Gas Ride Pro. Wait.
I waited.
Oh, shit. The clutch is so sticky. So they're full throttle all the way to the end of the bridge. Let's see if I can catch up. In my highest gear. Full throttle. Yeah, I'm catching up. No. What happened? No. No. Oh, I died. They're still going. No. Oh shit. Hella smoke. Oh man, that doesn't smell good. Hella smoke coming out. Oh man, I think I blew it. Does not smell right. Ooh, I found neutral. No way, first try. No way. Oh. It was a neutral though. We're back. We're back. Here we go, roller race. I didn't count. Yeah, I'm in 6. Here we go, full throttle at 6. Oh no. No, it's what happened before. No. Oi. Thank you. It does not like it when I pin 6th gear. It doesn't like 6. Come on, stay with me. Yes, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. No. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. It's dead. I keep dying, dude. Oh, really? I keep dying.
I just want both of you guys to know I smoked you both.
Oh, you smoked us. Yes. I need you, dude. It takes 2 people to start this thing. Yeah, let's get a drink.
There's a blue bottle right here. I'll buy it.
Let's do it. Going from first to second is such a fun, it's so fun. RS5, okay. Dude, it's so light. It's oh, look at it. It spins when it's off the ground. Even with the clutch in. That doesn't make... Does that make sense? Somebody who knows gas bikes, explain that to me. I'm holding the clutch. Shouldn't it not be spinning? Oh, there's the kill switch. Here we go.
Well, the cool thing is that no one will take it.
Yeah, no one's taking this.
They need to know the combination.
Jim, don't forget your phone. The electric E-Ride Pros make the gas one look like ancient technology, but it's a hell of fun. Bro, who leaves an RS5 just running with the windows down? Is this your car? Beautiful. You're just leaving it with running, dude? In LA, someone's gonna jump in there.
You gotta stay strapped, man.
I don't want to be a hater, but this is how you ruin an otherwise cool car. Nightmare, man. At Challenger RT Black, I'm throwing shade.
I was just thinking how that was, and this guy's all like, that's pretty cool.
What's up?
It's awesome.
Yeah, dude, what's up?
Can you get a photo?
Of course.
See, I didn't know that.
It's funny, I was just complimenting your buddy's car, dude.
Thanks.
Come on.
Yeah, I love that motor on that Surron.
Let's go. You gonna scoot with that dog? Yeah. She likes running beside you? Or she stands on the scoot?
No, she'll run along.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh shit. Kill switch, kill switch. Now I look electric. We'll just let him pass, we'll let him pass. I went into electric mode right there.
I'm glad I didn't like take off.
Okay, let me see. What's up? Let's see a wheelie. Damn, that's loud. Does mine sound that loud in the tunnel? Yeah?
I like, yeah.
As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned.